Hi, I'm Jerry here with the Happy Hootie, and I'm going to show you today how to install a set of roller blinds. These roller blinds have been replacing a lot of the corded blinds lately because of child safety laws here in the United States. So what we can do is actually replace them with a nice set of roller blinds that are cordless. And this is a great product and a great replacement that comes in either blackout or various sizes. So it's got a lot of different permutations that you can put through to fit the perfect window for you. I'm going to show you how to install a blackout one. It's really easy to do and comes with all the hardware included. Let's get started. Some tools you're going to need to make sure before you get started are measuring tape so that you can measure the appropriate size. You're then going to need a screwdriver, either a manual one or an electric screwdriver. This will certainly help if you're going to be driving in some of the hardware into wood. Of course, if you're going to be using the anchors and installing this into drywall, a manual one probably would work better. What you're going to do first is you're going to take your provided bracket and provided screw that comes along with this and come on over here. We're going to go ahead and line this up and make sure this is lined up on here on the window, and just simply screw this in to the window like this. And we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Next, you're going to take your blind and you're going to hook this little front edge under the front edge of this, like that. And then we're just going to push back on it to snap that back into place. Now for operational purposes, you can actually just grab this piece that's back here, pull this down like this. Super easy operation, very fluid motion with this one. Pulling it all the way down, getting it set where you want to have it, and just leave it. There you have it, and it's blocked out. We can shut off the lights here in a minute and show you, but I can say then to raise it up, even just one finger to raise that up, raise it up exactly whatever level you want to do it, get it set where you want it, and it's fine. Now they do offer that optional handle that you can clip on there if you want to be able to have something else to grab onto. I personally like to be able to push this all the way up and pull it all the way down. And again, make sure you get the right appropriate length. Go ahead and overshoot it by a few inches. It's okay to be a few inches too long rather than have ones you order that shows up too short. So make sure you order a couple inches longer than you think you might need. Let's go ahead and turn off the light and I'll show you how it blacks out. Now this is completely blacked out. This is great because it has the UV protection on there to help so that you don't have the UV rays coming in. This blackout protection is done because it's got kind of a dual layer. It's got the fabric and it's got a foam backing on the back of this as well, which really helps block out that natural light coming in. So very good product.